Welcome to our training on how to prepare for your Amazon Identity Verification video call. When you register for an Amazon selling account, Amazon must verify your identity via a video call before you can begin selling in the Amazon store. This step helps us maintain a trusted marketplace for both buyers and sellers. An Amazon associate will assist you with the verification process during the call. But it's important to ensure you have the proper equipment and documents ready beforehand. In this video, we'll let you know what to expect during the call and how to prepare for it. You'll choose a call option that works with your schedule during the account registration process. Upload your documents, then choose how you'd like to initiate your video call. Click Instant Video Call to join a queue and wait for an Amazon associate to activate the video call when they're available. They typically join the call within 3 to 6 minutes. Select Schedule a video call to choose an appointment time within 2 to 7 business days. Make sure to join your scheduled appointment on time, or your call may be canceled and you'll need to reschedule. Keep in mind that verification video calls typically last between 10 to 20 minutes, and you should follow proper video call etiquette for the duration. For example, join from a quiet room and act and dress as you would in a professional meeting. You'll also need to have hard copies rather than digital files of the original documents you uploaded to Seller Central, along with your government-issued photo ID or passport. Amazon requires different documents depending on your country or state. Refer to the document upload page you completed during the registration process for more information on what to bring. You can also use this time to check that you've uploaded the correct items. Make sure your identification documents are valid, meaning they're not expired or void. All pictures and information are clear and legible with no sections cut off. Your photo ID and passport are signed. Your bank statement was issued within 180 days from the date of your call and has your bank's name, logo, or both. And your bank statement and business license include your name or your business name and your address. You'll need to reschedule your appointment if you don't have the original documents with you at the call, which will delay your verification. You should also check that your device and its settings meet Amazon's requirements. You can join from any device with a working front-facing camera and microphone, like a laptop, cell phone, or tablet. Test that both the camera and microphone are in working order before you join the call, and note the location of your camera to make sure you're visible. The Amazon associate will ask you to show the front and back of your documents during the call. You'll also need the Safari browser if you're using an iOS device, or the Google Chrome browser for all other devices. We won't be able to connect you with an associate otherwise. Finally, make sure your device is connected to the internet and that you have enough bandwidth to support a video call. You're welcome to invite a friend or family member to assist you with your device and documents if you need help. In this case, confirm you've got someone available to assist you before scheduling your appointment. After an Amazon associate has reviewed the required documents with you, the verification process can last up to 3 business days. We'll notify you via email when we've activated your selling account. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!